So here is how we can delete the saved passwords in Google through the iPhone. So let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So what we are going to go through or use as an app is going to be the Google Chrome web browser. So if you don't have it, you just download it from the App Store, get inside, and you can see that I'm on this just like Google page or whatever. But what I want you to go to is to tap on the three dots in at the bottom right corner like this, which pulls up this panel of options. And in here, I want you to tap on the settings. So these are settings specifically for Google Chrome and Google account. You can see I'm signed in with this particular Google account, so you should know that the passwords are attached to one Gmail. And if you want to change the account, just tap on it like this, and at the bottom we have the ability to use another account. So if you don't find your passwords attached to this one, you can sign into a different one. But the point is that once you are inside of the settings, you can always go to the passwords manager, and either you could see I could scan my face or type in the code like this, and I can see all of the stored passwords and all of the data attached to it. So you can see that if I have anything in here, I have the ability to delete it, right? I can also add a new passwords if I wanted to, but most importantly, I have the option to click on the settings right here, and at the bottom, I have the delete all data button. So if I click on this, every data attached to passwords and my Google account will be cleared if I go through it, and that is the way that you can delete your saved passwords as well. So that's how you can approach this. As I said, if you don't see something, you just need to switch to a different Google account because it's likely going to be tied to that one. So yeah, that's how I wanted to show you how it works. Let me know if you found this video helpful just by hitting the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.